You, Cody, take Rylee to be your lawfully wedded wife, to have and hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, richer or poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish for as long as you both shall live. I do. Rylee, do you take Cody to be your lawfully wedded husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or worse, richer or poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Are you sure? If you want to go, we can go. I can go.
With you, every journey is brighter, every step more meaningful. I can't wait for the places we'll go, the things we'll try, the memories we'll make as we continue to write our story together. No matter where we go, as long as I'm with you, I'm already home. And I promise to keep choosing you today, tomorrow, and always.
I vow to choose you every day to be the best wife, friend, and partner I can be. And now I cannot wait to marry you and take this next step in our journey as newlyweds.
Rylee, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love and commitment. With this ring, I thee wed.
Cody, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love and commitment. With this ring, I thee wed.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.